Oh, hey there, it's me, Mr. Tan, and so today in our not pre-calculus, Algebra 2 class, we were talking about polynomials, and we got into an investigation of polynomial end behavior. And what polynomial end behavior is, we notice, is that just looking as far as x goes to the right as x approaches infinity, and as far as x goes to the left as x approaches negative infinity, there were two simple things about the polynomial function that determine the end behavior. So we notice if the degree, meaning the highest degree of the x normally, the input, was even, both ends went in the same direction. And if the leading coefficient were positive, it would go up like this. If the leading coefficient, though, were negative and the degree were even, both ends go down like this. Then with odd, like thinking of the parent cubic function or even a linear function, it goes down on the left to up on the right, or if the leading coefficient is positive, or if the leading coefficient is negative, down on or up on the left and down on the right. So what we did was we put together this little dance here. Let me see if I got enough space. We were just doing even positive, even negative, odd positive, odd negative, even positive, even negative, odd positive, odd negative. And keep in mind, the odd, I sort of think of it as I'm looking at a graph. So my left is the left of the graph, or the negative side, and my right is the positive x, or the positive side, the right side of the graph when looking at it. So again, ba, 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 ba. So you can get all of the end behavior in your brain just by learning that simple dance with only 4 moves, because we only have the combination of 2 binary options.